Welcome to Quiz Pop Party, where learning is fun and every guess is a game. Today's quiz is the ultimate planet quiz. How much do you know about the planets and dwarf planets? Let's find out. Okay. Starting with the basics. Question 1. Which planet is the third from the Sun? A. Venus. B. Earth. C. Mars. Answer B. Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun, right after Venus. Question 2. Which planet is the smallest? A. Mercury. B. Mars. C. Pluto. Answer A. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest of all the main planets. Question 3. Which planet spins the fastest? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Neptune. Answer A. Jupiter. Jupiter spins so fast, its day is just about 10 hours. Question 4. Which planet is known for its beautiful rings? A. Uranus. B. Saturn. C. Neptune. Answer B. Saturn. Saturn has the most stunning rings made of ice and rock. Question 5. Which planet is mostly covered in water? A. Mars. B. Earth. C. Venus. Answer B. Earth. About 70% of Earth's surface is covered by water. That's all for round 1. We are on to round 2. Which planets are burning hot, and which are freezing cold? Let's find out. Question 6. Which planet is the coldest? A. Uranus. B. Pluto. C. Neptune. Answer A. Uranus. Even though it's not the farthest, Uranus is the coldest. Question 7. Which planet has thick, poisonous clouds that trap heat? A. Venus. B. Mars. C. Mercury. Answer A. Venus. Venus has clouds that trap heat and make it the hottest planet. Question 8. Which planet has seasons like Earth? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Neptune. Answer B. Mars. Mars tilts like Earth, so it has seasons too. Question 9. Which planet gets the most sunlight? A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. Answer A. Mercury. Mercury is closest to the Sun, so it gets the most sunlight. Question 10. Which planet is farthest from the Sun? A. Uranus. B. Neptune. C. Jupiter. Answer B. Neptune. Neptune is the 8th and farthest planet from the Sun. Now it's time to orbit into fun facts about moons in motion. Question 11. Which planet has more than 80 moons? A. Jupiter. B. Earth. C. Saturn. Answer A. Jupiter. Jupiter has over 90 known moons, more than any other planet. Question 12. Which planet spins in the opposite direction from most others? A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Uranus. Answer B. Venus. Venus spins backward, opposite to most planets. Question 13. Which planet has giant dust storms? A. Mars. B. Neptune. C. Mercury. Answer A. Mars. Mars has the biggest dust storms in the solar system. Question 14. Which planet is famous for its great dark spot? A. Neptune. B. Jupiter. C. Uranus. Answer A. Neptune. Neptune's great dark spot is a giant storm like a hurricane. Question 15. Which planet has a moon that might have oceans under its ice? A. Mars. B. Saturn. C. Jupiter. Answer C. Jupiter. Europa, one of Jupiter's moons, may hide oceans under its icy shell. Alright, it's time to shrink down to explore the dwarf planets. Question 16. Which dwarf planet has 5 known moons? A. Ceres. B. Pluto. C. Eris. Answer B. Pluto. Pluto has 5 moons, and the biggest is Charon. Question 17. Which dwarf planet was the first to be discovered? A. Eris. B. Ceres. C. Maque. Answer B. Ceres. Ceres was discovered in 1801 and is found in the asteroid belt. Question 18. Which dwarf planet is named after a goddess of chaos? A. Pluto. B. Haumea. C. Eris. Answer C. Eris. Eris is named after the Greek goddess of chaos and strife. Question 19. Which dwarf planet is found beyond Pluto? A. Haumea. B. Maque. C. Ceres. Answer B. Maque. Maque lives way out in the Kuiper belt, beyond Pluto. Question 20. Which dwarf planet is shaped more like a football? A. Pluto. B. Haumea. C. Ceres. Answer B. Haumea. Haumea spins so fast that it's shaped like a squished ball. Do you know some planets have some really weird and wacky features? Let's find out more. Question 21. Which planet could float in water because it's so light? A. Saturn. B. Neptune. C. Mars. Answer A. Saturn. Saturn is mostly gas and so light, it would float in a giant pool. Question 22. Which planet has clouds made of sulfuric acid? A. Venus. B. Jupiter. C. Mercury. Answer A. Venus. Venus has thick yellow clouds made of superhot acid. Question 23. Which planet has the strongest winds in the solar system? A. Neptune. B. Earth. C. Uranus. Answer A. Neptune. Neptune's winds blow over 1,000 miles per hour. Question 24. Which planet's name means god of war? A. Jupiter. B. Mars. C. Uranus. Answer B. Mars. Mars is named after the Roman god of war because of its red color. Question 25. Which planet takes the longest to go around the Sun? A. Uranus. B. Neptune. C. Saturn. Answer B. Neptune. Neptune takes 165 Earth years to make one trip around the Sun. You did it! You've completed the ultimate planet quiz. How many did you get right? Tell us in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun space adventures.